Hey guys, how are you all? I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. Today we are meeting again to make one pretty design of choker. I have specially made this video for all those who love choker type of necklaces. And this is the pretty choker. This is how it looks. So this is how it looks after wearing. It really gives a little heavier look because of the pearls and the diamond beads that we have used here. So do watch this video from start to end because I have shared some technique to make this jewelry very quick. So because there is a sticking work here, I always like to bring very innovative design of jewelry on my channel and execute them in a very simple way so that beginner can also enjoy the jewelry making. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that we can stay connected on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So first we'll take the base. So base I have just draw on the cardboard and cut it off. I have not taken the ready-made base which is available in the market because this shape and this size was not there. And then we'll add any designer fabric with the help of B6000 glue, or you can take that Fevibond glue. I always use this glue because they get dried very easily. So in the same way, in this way we have to add the fabric, and then we'll flip to the base side. And to this one, first we will add one round of pearl beads chain. So again, I'm using B6000 and I'm taking this small size pearl chain, and we'll stick this in a line according like this. So make sure that you will stick it very correctly in proper line to have a proper finishing. And in the same way we are going to add to the other side also. So I'll quickly add. This is how it looks. Now first we'll add to the back finishing, and for that we are going to add the L'Oreals of the pearls and golden beads. So we'll add this Laria, and then we'll add this pearl bead in this, and then we're going to add these pearl L'Oreals. You can also add golden L'Oreals, and then we'll take this eye pin, and then in the hole of the eye pin we'll attach this L'Oreal of ours, and then we'll stick this to this one. The pearl one will add in the middle, and with the help of B6000 glue. And to the sideways we will add this golden L'Oreal. So this is how it looks. And now I'll do that back finishing too. Now I felt that this front part is looking so dull. So for that we are gonna add this golden bead chain in that, so that it will look more nice in design. So again, now I'm taking this Fevibond glue and we'll apply this glue evenly to all the edges next to this pearl bead chain, and then we will add this golden bead chain. So I have taken this small size golden bead chain to match with the bigger one to match with the pearl chain, and we'll quickly add it. So we're gonna add the 2 layers of pearl golden bead chain. So let's add it now. So earlier I had just decided that I'll add only pearl bead chain, but it was looking so dull, so that's why I decided to add this golden bead chain, and it's looking really nice. So in the same way we can do any experiment. Now we are gonna add the chain. So I'm taking this Laria or Ghantan Mala, and then we are gonna add the layers of 6. So for that I have already attached these 3 Laria in 3 hole connector with the help of jump ring. So I'll open this one jump ring, and then we'll add this other end of this Ghantan Mala in this, and we'll shut it very firmly. Make sure to shut it very firmly, otherwise this Ghantan Mala will come down very easily. So in the same way we'll do for all. So now I have done this double sizing, and this is how it looks. It gives so heavier look. And now I'm taking this jump ring, and we'll add the jump ring in the eye pin which we have attached in the upper side, and then we'll add this gantan malas with the hole in it. So I'll quickly add. So this is how it is, and now I'll again add another one more gantan mala to the other side to cover the necklace, and then with this how this necklace is ready. And in the same way we have to make the earrings. So tada! Do try to make this necklace set. If you face any issue while making this necklace, do let me know in the comments below so that I can solve that issue and also others can learn from it. If you like this video, do like, share and comment on it. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching till end. See you soon. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.